Hey guys, how's it going? This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered freak. I want to welcome everybody watching this video because this will be the ultimate belch and fart. Whoops. Excuse my French. I meant ass belches. Video of all time. The ultimate one. And guess what, guys? For this momentous occasion, I, the fabulous four-fingered Belching, am doing a great sweepstakes where 10 of you lucky viewers will win a personally autographed picture of me. That's right. Now, how do you do that? Well, here are the rules, baby. Rule number 1. You have to like this video. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. You have to subscribe to this channel. All right. Rule number 3. You have to calculate, that's a big word, every single belch and every single ass belch in this entire video from start to finish. And write down in the comment section how many belches and how many ass belches there are in this entire video. All right? And if you get the right answer to both, plus or minus 4 for belches and plus or minus 1 for ass belches, I will personally communicate with you and I will send you a personally autographed picture of me. All right? But here's the thing. Grand prize winner. The first person to write down the correct answer, plus or minus 0, will not only get a personally autographed picture of me, but I will also call you on the phone or FaceTime, whatever you want, doesn't matter, and I will chat with you live for whatever, 15, 30 minutes, we'll see. All right? Get a personal call from the Belch King himself. Now I think that's worth it, right? So, without further ado, guys, enjoy the show. Wait. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.